11:03 hours of call in from the FDA that there is a fire in chemistry laboratory. Uh, so we immediately turn out our vehicles with the fire. We also responded to the spot within short span of time. And when we came here, we found that one of the analyzing lab was under fire. So by using our water and we went, we doused the fire, and we saw that there's a dense smoke. So we had to use our PA sets, and then we used this one smoke extractor for extraction of the smoke. There were four LPG cylinders which were used in laboratories for their analyzing purpose. So we removed all four this one LPG cylinder and kept outside. And we found that in one of the lab there is some problem wherein fire has been originated. So we have instructed to them to take the precautions as required, and they will do the need.
The cause of fire किती?
Cause of fire किती
Likely
कळलं?
at the initial stage, we just predict that it may be due to the electrical short circuit at the incubator, wherein it is connected to the point, wherein damage has been found at that particular point. So other points are very safe, but we'll, with the help of electricity department, we'll see what is the cause of fire, and we'll also instruct the madam, director FD, to look into the matter for further investigation.
In the morning at around 11 o'clock. So fire incident, we could see the fumes coming out from the window. So immediately we called 101 fire brigade, and these people, fire personnel, they came and they controlled everything. So there is a
भीतर कोण आले?
no. All people were evacuated from the both. This has happened in the microbiology department of the food lab. In one of the room.
त्या लॅबान किती जाता
So we do the testing of the food articles over there. So it is like all the microbiological analysis takes happen over there, and there the AHU systems also are there, and the high-end instruments are there, autoclaves are there. So here, like one of the point we could see now, like the plug has caught fire, and the fumes, since it was a compact area, the fumes did not come out, so all fumes were generated inside, and this got spread over entire area.
फक्त धुवर जाता.
Lots of fumes were there.
कितले डॅमेज जाता मेरेन के कळा तुमका?
Now we have to see now.
कितले सेक्शन्स असले
Only
कितले
one room
इक्विपमेंट
one room and the adjacent room.
इक्विपमेंट डॅमेज कोण ना किती आत
Not a second.